channel. If you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. Hi, my name is Lucky, and if you're a returner, thank you so much for coming back again. Thank you so much for actually clicking to watch this video. So in today's video, as you guys can see, I had this really nice simple bronzed look that I want to share with you guys. I hope you guys will enjoy this tutorial, and I'll see you guys afterwards.
Jules, baby.
Okay, so as you guys can see, I have already done my eyebrows, and what I used to do my eyebrows is my usual Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I already went ahead to prime my face with the Fenty Beauty primer. I love this primer so much because it makes my face matte, ready to go to take some beating. Like, I love this primer so much. It really, like, you know what, I'm just gonna stop talking, you get it. Okay, so next we're gonna be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer to prime my eyelids and prepare it for the eyeshadow. We're just gonna prime these eyelids. Oh, too much. In this part, I just like to add a little because this LA Girl Pro Concealer, it really goes a long way. Like, a little goes a long way, and I don't want it to be too harsh. I just want a smooth blend. That's all I'm asking for, honestly. A legit smooth blend. So we're just gonna blend this out. Hopefully it comes out beautiful and perfect. If not, then I'm screwed. That wasn't too bad. Okay, mission accomplished. Next, we're going to go into our Morphe palette. Is this the right one? Nope, it's not. Okay, so we're going to be going over with this shade right here. Can you guys see it? No. Okay, we're gonna start off with this shade right here. I feel like it's dark enough for what I want to do, so hopefully I'm right. But yeah, so we want to like blend. God help me. Okay, this thing has started to crease. Okay, I know I said before that I liked the LA Girl Pro Concealer, but honestly it's a pain in my ass. Like, okay, let's do this. Let's go. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm just gonna be tapping in the product in first. I honestly don't know what I'm doing, but I have this really strong feeling that everything is gonna turn out just fine. So we're gonna tap this in, and honestly just tap as much as you want, as much product as you want, and then when you see that you're getting the pigment that you desire, you just blend everything out. And if you notice, I'm not dragging my what's it called, my eyeshadow too much to this other end. I'm like leaving it halfway, because when I blend it, it tends to spread because the Morphe palette is so pigmented. So yeah, and then we're just gonna blend everything out. And then when you're done blending, you see if you need more product or if you need to blend in some more. So for now, we're just gonna blend in and see how it goes at the end. Wow. Okay guys, so honestly everything looks good to me. I like the pigment, I like the way it's blending out. I love Morphe so much. Like, honestly, you get what you pay for. Actually, you get more than you pay for, in my opinion. So now that I like the results of this, I'm gonna do the exact same thing to this other eye, and yeah. Okay guys, I actually do like how this eyeshadow is like blending out. Like I'm really excited. So I am actually happy with the results. So now we're gonna be using this Maybelline mascara. This mascara is actually really good, and we're just gonna be using that to give more volume to my eyelashes, because my natural lashes are like so close to not being visible. So this kind of helps it to have like a little bit more presence. Okay, so we're just gonna let this dry for a bit, because if you apply your lashes when the mascara is not fully dry on your face, it's just going to be a hot mess. So I usually like to wait for it to dry a little bit before I apply my lashes. And yeah, okay, so I'm guessing at this point the mascara is pretty much dried up, so we're going to apply our false lashes on. And yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, so guys, now that I have my false lashes installed, that actually took forever. Next, we're going to be applying our foundation. So in today's video, I'm going to be using the NARS foundation in dark 4. That's actually not the name, but that's the number, the name. I don't know how to pronounce it. If not, I'm going to butcher it. So we're just going to leave it as dark 4, and we're just going to be applying this bad boy in. So now we're just gonna blend everything out, make sure it's smooth and clean and, you know, ready to conceal. Okay, so everything looks pretty much flawless. So next we're gonna be using the NARS concealer in Amande. I'm not sure about the name, and we're going to be using that to highlight the middle parts of my face. This is actually my all-time favorite concealer because it's so creamy and it's very easy to work with in terms of blending. So and then we're just gonna blend everything out. Okay, so everything looks good to me. So next we're going to be using the Laura Mercier setting powder. This setting powder actually does magic. So we're going to be using this magic to make our face flawless. Okay guys, so what I'm actually doing here is I am not baking. I'm trying to like blend the powder, like press it into my skin, because I feel like if I bake I'll look so ashy, like Ashley. Oh my god. That was actually funny. Another area that I do only allow for the powder to sit is these two areas, because my smile lines have a way of just like showcasing themselves during the day, so I tend to want to hide them most of the time. So I'm just gonna let that sit for a little bit and then go over to the forehead and make sure that it's blended. I'm just gonna press that in. Okay, and then my nose, and then I'm also gonna do a reverse contour. Okay, honestly guys, this is just an eyeshadow that I got from Sephora, and it actually does the trick for my contour, and I'm like, why not? So I've never gone back since then because it's brown enough, if that makes sense. And I like to do powder contour. I don't like to do cream contour because I just feel like it's just too much. Like, it's too much. It's like doing the ultimate most. So I'm going to touch on these areas as well. Yes, yes. Okay, so I'm just going to be using this brush to dust off the remaining powder that I don't need on my face, and voila. Okay, so next I'm going to be using my all-time favorite Urban Decay all-nighter setting spray to set my face because yeah. 1 2 3. Okay, so next I'm going to be using my Becca highlighter in Topaz, and we're going to be using this to, you know, highlight our face, make it look snatched for the gloss. Remember, this is the bronze look, so we want to look as glowy as possible. Okay, let's do this. 1 2 3 4. That's fine. 1 2 3 4. I think that's okay. Sometimes I just tend to go over sometimes, so I like to be very, very careful, extremely careful. Okay, so next I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty highlighter in Trophy Wife, and I'm going to be using this to apply to the inner tear duct of my eye because this highlighter gives my eyes some kind of like attention, and I like it, so yeah. This is actually my favorite thing to do when I'm doing my makeup because ever since I started applying highlighter to the inner tear duct of my eye, like I feel like my makeup is like complete. Like, it's not like, sometimes I feel like, yes, lashes, they do help like bring your eyes out, but I feel like this part of highlighting your inner tear duct just brings everything together. It gives you that extra shine, that extra zhuzh. I don't know what that means, but okay. Okay, so for my lip, I'm gonna be using the NYX Lingerie brown lip liner, and I'm just going to apply this over my lips. I don't think I need a liner for this. I just need to mush it in. Yep, I was right. I don't know guys, something tells me I should add lip gloss to this look, but I'm gonna put my fingers crossed and hopefully see if this lip gloss thing works out, because if it doesn't, I'm gonna cry. I mean, that's it. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, do whatever you want to do with this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.